Hi everyone, it's Kelly here from Creative Memories Home Office, and today I'm going to show you how to make this little decorative feature for your page using the 3-in-1 Scallop Tag Punch. So this is a little design that I have used to create a bit of interest in the center of my page layout here, and I'm going to show you how I did that. So first of all, I cut 2-inch strips of paper and then cut them into 3.5 inches long, and I've already punched one end of the tag, as you can see here. Now I'm going to punch the other end of the tag, but what you'll find is when you slide it into your tag maker, it's a bit short and difficult to hold. So if you like, you can adhere with your repositionable tape runner a little piece of cardstock. So what I like to do there is I put my tape runner at this end where I'm going to be folding over the little loop here, because then I can reuse that piece of repositionable tape, and I slide that in there so it's easy to hold and punch the other end. And now I've got the repositionable tape there, I can fold over the end of the circle and do the same on the other end. And there I've got my little decorative item for that end. So I'll do the same with this one. So again, these pieces were 3.5 inches long and 2 inches wide. And simply add your piece of cardstock there just so it's a bit easier to slide in and hold that tag. Fold over the loop because I've already got some repositionable tape there now. Add a little bit more at that end. And now I can add these to my layout. To complete the design. With the repositionable tape, you can move your pieces around a little bit to get the right positioning. Actually, I think I might turn that upside down. And it's just a different way to use the tag maker. I've also used the tag maker at the 2.5 inches here on the page. And then there is also the 1-inch strip that you can use, which even cuts an even smaller tag. So that is how I'm using the tag maker on my page layout.